Are you ready to give your Squarespace website a fresh, modern look? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your background image quickly, easily, and step by step. First, log into your Squarespace account. You can do this directly or conveniently with your Google profile if it's linked. Once you're in, select the website you want to update. This will take you straight to your site's dashboard where all the customization magic happens. Next, enter edit mode by clicking the edit button on your page. Then navigate to the section where you want the new background. Hover over it and you'll see an edit section option. Click it. Inside the editing menu, look for the background settings. This is where you can modify or completely replace your current image. To add a new image, simply click Replace. From here, you have two options. Upload your own high-quality image from your computer or choose a professional stock image from Squarespace's library. Make sure your image is properly sized to avoid any cropping or resolution issues. If you pick a stock image, the library offers a wide selection that fits various themes and styles. Once you select your image, Squarespace will automatically update the background. Take a moment to preview your changes and make sure everything looks just right. Finally, click Save and your site will have a brand new background in just a few simple steps. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your Squarespace website now has a fresh, updated look. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly revamped site.